Hi everybody, welcome. We are going to do some chocolate bark dessert today. Real tasty, and you're gonna need about 6 ingredients. So we need dried apricots, and as you can see here, I've sliced mine into nice little slivers. The smaller the better, that way you get more distribution around your chocolate bark. We're gonna need unsweetened coconut. You can get goji berries, or I happen to have a bunch of craisins, so I'm using dried cranberries. We're gonna need pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds and some pistachios. And if you don't like pistachios, you can use any other kind of nut that you like. And it goes kind of with any of the ingredients. If you like a substitution, what we're kind of going for is the sweet and salty, so something to counteract our chocolate. And then we're gonna need a pound of bittersweet chocolate. I've got some mini chocolate chips here today. If you can only find the brick, what you're gonna wanna do is kind of chop it up into smaller pieces. It makes it easier for melting. Our first step here, before I forget, we're gonna also want a pan with some parchment paper on there. That's where we're gonna spread it out to let it cool. We've got a clear bowl for microwaving and a spatula. We're gonna move over to the microwave here. The whole key here, so we don't burn our chocolate, is to do in 30-second increments. So we're gonna go 30 seconds on here, and then every 30 seconds we're gonna give it a good stir. So after our first 30 seconds here, just about there, we'll give that a quick stir. Just want to make sure that we're getting a nice melt going without burning. So 30 more seconds. And overall, this should take about 5 minutes by the time it's all said and done. I may have neglected to mention, I started off with about 1/3 of my bag of chocolate to begin with. Oh, and after that one, you can see we're getting a nice little melt going on here. So after you start getting it melted, then we can start adding some more. So I'm gonna add a bit more of my chocolate in there. And stir it in. And we'll go 30 more seconds. And each time you'll notice your bowl starts warming up. It's keeping that heat, getting a little more warmer, warmer each time. It's gonna help keep that chocolate nice and warm. We'll just keep mixing in more. Okay, looking even better. Let's go one more time with this and we'll add some more chips. You just really got to keep to that 30-second mark. Any more than that and you're going to start to squirt your chocolate in there. Okay, let's see how we're looking. Oh yeah, now we're getting nice and melty in here. I think we should add some more. I think I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm getting pretty close here. We're gonna go ahead and add the rest of our bag. And we'll give that a quick stir. And you're probably pretty warm enough now that the new ones you just added in there are already going to start melting because the existing chocolate is pretty warm. So we'll throw that in again for 30 more seconds. We'll probably have this one and maybe one more round of 30 seconds here, I would imagine. And then we should be pretty good. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got definitely one more. Give that a stir. And make sure that you try to keep this off the sides here, because that thinner area that's on the sides is going to want to burn. And definitely one more round of 30 seconds here, and I bet we are good. Just want to make sure that there's no lumps left in there. Don't want that to get to a boil. So if you notice it starts to pop or bubble, definitely get it right out. About 5 more seconds here. Okay, let's see how we did. Oh yeah, we are definitely good. Give this a little, we got a few little in there. We'll give it a quick spin here. Okay, looking nice and smooth, if you can see that. And we're gonna go back over to our pan here. Keep all your ingredients real close, because this moves pretty quick here from now on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna spread this chocolate out, just kind of randomly on your pan. Not too thick, probably no more than 1/4 of an inch in any one area. Get it all out of your bowl here. And we're just going to kind of smear that around. Okay. Then we just start with our ingredients. We'll start with the apricots, and they're kind of sticky, so kind of break them apart as you go. And we're just gonna just randomly, kind of like we're decorating a pizza. We're just gonna throw those around. All right, and then our cranberries. Then to our pumpkin seeds, just a nice little sprinkle. And then to our pistachios. And then we have unsweetened coconut. We're just gonna sprinkle that across the top. And there you have it. We let that cool for about 2 to 3 hours and then just break it all up into little pieces. This should be 15 servings is what this amount makes. And enjoy. Thanks for watching.